Let's go back to our childhoods. What was your favorite Disney film? Mine was Cinderella. If you think about it, if the shoe had fit Cinderella's evil stepsisters, Cinderella would have remained single and miserable for the rest of her life. If you've ever been shopping, you would relate when I say one size does not fit all. We can say the same about what diet someone should follow to maintain their weight and health. There's a common misconception that a certain diet works on everyone, which is definitely not true. Essentially, we know that nutrition is important for health, but currently, tailoring dietary recommendations for every single individual is like the blind leading the blind. So my PhD research will try to understand the relationship between diet and the thing that makes us all unique, our DNA. What we all have in common is that we all eat. We're currently facing a global nutrition crisis whereby diseases such as obesity and type 2 diabetes are drastically increasing in prevalence. Diet plays a huge role in those diseases. However, it is still unclear why some individuals benefit, for example, from diets that reduce your blood sugar levels while others do not. So the key question we're trying to answer here is, why do we respond differently to diets? One source of this variation is our DNA. Every single cell in our body contains DNA in different bits, the nucleus and the mitochondria. The mitochondria are little things in your cell that are very important for energy production, and they also contain their own DNA. The nucleus and the mitochondria collaborate with one another, and this collaboration helps decide whether a specific diet will have positive health outcomes on you or not. My PhD research will take on a very interesting approach of using little fruit flies, who, fun fact, share a lot of their genes with us. They're also cheap and easy to conduct experiments on. Different flies will have different genes, and therefore a diet will affect them differently. My plan is to dissect what the nucleus and the mitochondria are saying to each other that makes flies respond differently to diets. And this will bring me to the most exciting bit of my PhD, where I get to develop a technology in flies and see whether we can use it as a proof of principle to perhaps someday predict the best diet for you based on your genes. My research is revolutionary for two main reasons. Firstly, it will help us understand the relationship between diet and our genes, which is an important goal to tackle the high burdens of obesity and diabetes. The second reason is that diet not only affects our health, but also the health of future generations. Therefore, getting closer to personalized nutrition will not only help us tackle those diseases in us, but also in our children and generations to come. Thank you.